Welcome to Treadmill Trivia. We're launching into a 5-minute add-on stack exploring outer space. Today, we'll test your knowledge on NASA missions, planetary mysteries, and the secrets of our solar system. 10 rapid-fire questions to keep your brain focused while you crush your cardio. Get your pace set, let's go. Round 1. Which planet in our solar system is known as the red planet? A. Venus, B. Jupiter, C. Mars, or D. Saturn? The answer is C. Mars. Mars gets its iconic reddish hue from iron oxide, essentially rust, covering its surface. It has a thin atmosphere and features geological traits similar to Earth, including polar ice caps and seasonal weather patterns. Round 2. In what year did NASA's Apollo 11 mission successfully land the first humans on the moon? A. 1965, B. 1972, C. 1961, or D. 1969? The answer is D, 1969. On July 20th, 1969, Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin became the first people to walk on the lunar surface. The mission was a pivotal moment in the space race and fulfilled President John F. Kennedy's goal of reaching the moon before the end of the decade. Round 3. What is the name of the largest volcano in the solar system located on Mars? A. Olympus Mons, B. Mauna Kea, C. Tharsis Rise, or D. Maxwell Montes? The answer is A. Olympus Mons. This massive shield volcano stands nearly 14 miles high, making it roughly 3 times the height of Mount Everest. Because Mars lacks tectonic plate movement, the volcanic hotspot remains stationary for millions of years, allowing the mountain to grow to its enormous size. Round 4. Which planet takes longer to rotate once on its axis than it does to orbit the Sun? A. Mars, B. Venus, C. Mercury, or D. Neptune? The answer is B. Venus. Venus rotates extremely slowly and in the opposite direction of most planets. 1 day on Venus lasts about 243 Earth days, while it completes its orbit around the Sun in just 225 days, meaning a day on Venus is actually longer than its year. Round 5. What is the scientific term for a giant explosion that occurs at the end of a massive star's life cycle? A. Black hole, B. Nebula, C. Red giant, or D. Supernova? The answer is D, supernova. A supernova is the largest explosion that takes place in space. It happens when a star's core collapses, releasing a massive amount of energy and scattering elements like iron and gold into the universe, which eventually help form new stars and planets. Round 6. Which NASA spacecraft became the first human-made object to leave our solar system? A. Sputnik, B. Voyager 1, C. Cassini, or D. New Horizons? The answer is B. Voyager 1. Launched in 1977 to study the outer planets, Voyager 1 crossed the heliopause into interstellar space in 2012. It carries a golden record containing sounds and images of Earth designed as a time capsule for any extraterrestrial life that might find it. Round 7. Jupiter's Great Red Spot is actually a massive, high-pressure version of what type of weather event? A. Tornado, B. Dust storm, C. High-pressure storm, or D. Lightning strike? The answer is C, high pressure storm. Known as an anticyclone, this storm is wider than the entire Earth and has been raging for at least 150 years. Wind speeds at the edge of the spot can reach up to 270 miles per hour, making it one of the most violent and persistent weather patterns in our solar system. Round 8. Who was the first human to ever travel into outer space, orbiting the Earth in 1961? A. Yuri Gagarin. B. Neil Armstrong. C. John Glenn. Or D. Alan Shepard? The answer is A, Yuri Gagarin. The Soviet cosmonaut completed one orbit of the Earth aboard the Vostok 1 spacecraft. His flight lasted only 108 minutes, but it proved that humans could survive in microgravity and launched the era of manned space exploration. Round 9. What is the name of the spiral galaxy that is the closest neighbor to our own Milky Way? A. Triangulum. B. Sombrero. C. Whirlpool. Or D. Andromeda? The answer is D, Andromeda. Located about 2.5 million light years away, Andromeda is the largest galaxy in our local group. It is currently on a collision course with the Milky Way, and the two galaxies are expected to merge into one massive elliptical galaxy in about 4 billion years. Round 10. What is the name of NASA's newest, most powerful space telescope? A. Hubble. B. Spitzer. C. James Webb. Or D. Kepler? The answer is C, James Webb. The James Webb Space Telescope uses infrared technology to look back over 13.5 billion years to see the first stars and galaxies ever formed. It orbits the sun about 1 million miles away from Earth, providing images with much higher detail than its predecessor, the Hubble. Mission accomplished! You just finished 5 minutes in deep space. How many of those cosmic facts did you get right? Drop your score in the comments and hit subscribe so you don't miss the next session. Check the full playlist for more base episodes and add-on stacks. Great job today! I'll see you at the next mile.